Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about how to learn English language with the help of listening. You know what? We are underestimating the power of listening. That some people think that we cannot learn English language until we until we are focused on only English language, like we have to listen, we have to write, we have to speak as well. Yeah, you are right, it is in English language, but I just want to say that if you don't have so much time currently, like you are engaged in any work and you are not free for every time for you know for a long time to give your time to English language, so you can only listen English language and you can improve your English language, right? You know what, do not underestimate the listening power. English language is why English language we are able to speak. Why? Because we listened a lot. And why we are able to speak Hindi language? Because we have been listening Hindi language, yes, since our childhood, right? So that is why we are able to speak Hindi language without any problem. We are able to speak Hindi. Likewise, if the person lives in Punjab, if the person lives in Gujarat, so he will have, or wherever the people will be living, they will have their own language. Why? Because they are listening. If we had been listening Gujarati language, so we would have knowledge about, we would have a capability to speak Gujarati language, right? If we had been living in South India, like we can say Tamil and Kannada, and there are many types of language at there, so we would have knowledge about south we can say South languages. We would have knowledge about South languages, and we would be speaking South languages. Why? Because of listening. So it is the power. So that is why I'm saying that if you don't have so much time to learn English language, just listen. And if you will start listening English language from today, from now, so after some time it will help you a lot to boost up your confidence while learning English language, while speaking English language. When you will be fully focused on English language, like now you will think like, I want to learn English language now, fully focus, with the fully focus, and then you will effort that now all the things I want to learn in English language so that I could also speak. Then it will help you a lot, like you already would have listened it a lot. So you will not take so much time to speak it, right? So that is why I'm saying that just start start listening English language. Just start listening English language, we can say, from the people, from anybody who is speaking English language. Like on your phone there are many types of channels, and they are just practicing there. But you know what, in beginning time, when we are not able to understand English language, so many things, so we get bored. We think like, if we are not able to understand, what is the meaning of listening it, we feel bored quickly, and we just we quiet, we don't listen. So my friend, do not learn all the things in English language. Just watch that video in which the person should speak English language. The meaning of English, like with Hindi and English, both of the languages, the person should speak, right? If the person is speaking Hindi and English both, so it is called English, right? So if you will listen this type of English language, then you will be able to understand some of the things. And you know what, everyone can understand English language, but they cannot speak. You know why? It's a massive headache, it's a massive problem for the people, that they are able to understand, they can understand, like, yeah, whatever the person is saying, I am able to understand. But when it comes to speak English language, then I don't know where the words will be used and what type of things are, they just forget. Then they forget, like, how to use and how to speak. You know why? Because we are just listening, so we are not implementing it in our daily life, right? Speaking comes by speaking. When we were child, have you ever imagined when we were child and we didn't know how to walk, even we didn't know how to talk as well, right? So how did we learn walking and talking? By doing that the same thing, right? By doing that the same thing. So if you want to speak English language, so just speak, man. And it is like similar than it, like, for example, you are sitting on the bank of the river, and like swimming pool, you can say, and you are watching the view of, like, the people are swimming in the water, and into the water, and they are just what do we call it, you know diving into the water, and they are just swimming, and you are just watching, not entering, not entering into the water. So how can you learn swimming? Likewise, if you will not speak English language, so how can you speak, right? So my friend, I just wanted to say that if you have so much time, then you can start speaking English language. But if you don't have so much time, just start listening English language, and you will find that after some time your English will be improved. And you know what, do not listen, I can say, in your beginning days, do not listen all the things in English language. I would suggest you to listen those stories in English language. Like, there are a lot of stories, they will tell you, they will first of all read the we can say English story, and then they will tell you the meaning of that thing. And in this way you can improve your English language by only listening, right? And they will tell you all the things, and you can improve your English language. How easy it is, how easy. Okay, so I hope these things will help you to understand English language, and you may have learned some of the things in English language. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.